So we're back home, and that's my dad helping. We got a slightly bigger pulley puller, and it's actually, it is moving slowly, but it's moving. So it's getting there.
Ja, klopt.
Yep.
Ja, daar komt hij weer. Als ik denk dat onder de apel is, dan zou ik geklopt.
Ja.
Ja, klopt.
So what we're doing is we're putting a tension on it and then using the hammer.
Ik kan mooi verspringen.
You can see it move afterwards. But it's on there tight. Well,
Maar even wachten. Hij gaat er dus in.
what did I say? Is it strong enough? Yes, it's very,
Of course.
of course, it's very strong. Yeah.
Oh. Ja. Zo bij poeder me dan. Ja, dat is het.
Very handy, the welder in the family. We just made a special tool, so now it should go.
Kijk over werk. Is dat ook Engels?
Engelse woord voor de dag.
Let's see if it works. Dutch sentence of the day. Yes, kiek over het werk.
That's even Limburg.
That's actually a Limburgian dialect thing.
Kom. Ja. Ja. Ja.
Boom, boom. Boom.
Dus doe maar kloppen, jong. Yes.
Yes.
Woohoo!
Finally.
Mooi.
Oh yeah.
En die moet je eruit hebben.
Yep. Allemaal
Ja, hier de gloed.
rust and corrosion. That's it. Okay. Yay.
Nee, is af.
Well, the reason that it was stuck like it was is because there was rust and corrosion on the splines, so it it held on tight. So now I'm cleaning it with some fine sandpaper, of course, protecting the bearings here so there's no, well, dirt and grime going into the bearings. And if I'm done with this, I'm gonna clean the wheel hub, because that one is also very corroded. Yeah, so that's why it's stuck like it was. I'm gonna clean all these things. Luckily I still have the new seal, because this one I think was the thing. It is very hard, so that's just old age. They just harden, and if they dry up or harden like this, they stop working, and that's exactly what happened. At least that's what I hope what happened. The bearing inside still looks okay, so I don't think that that is the problem. I mean, they have now, this axle has driven now 15,000 kilometers or something, so that shouldn't be the problem. So we'll keep on going.
Toch aardig in de buurt, hè?
Almost there. Volgens mij net tot hier. Tot waar die schamp...
Ja, nog wat geven?
Almost there.
Dat rijdt hij niet, het zet in versnelling. Ja, nog wel. Wat rijdt u nog als de zus hem op de buiten dat dan nog rijdt, hè?
I think that's it. It was simpler with the Suzuki Samurai. Yes. That looks about right. So after a few taps and pushes and pulls and things, it's all back together. Now hopefully it won't leak anymore.
8 bottles of beer?
8 bottles of beer later. No, we ended up heating it up and smashing it with a hammer and using the very big thing. So, but it's all back together. I'm gonna clean the brakes, and then hopefully it doesn't have to go apart in a long time. Well, the wheel's back on, so I went ahead and got to the next item that got broken down, so I removed the oil pressure gauge. I went ahead and disassembled the entire gauge because, well, it was broken anyway. This is the gauge. Yeah. And it kind of works, but this is like a bladder in here, and I think that was broken because the oil is coming from between the bladder and the gauge, so in this section it's leaking oil. There's nothing I can do about that, unfortunately, so I have to look for a new one. Yep. In the meantime, I'm just going to cap off the oil pressure line to, well, where normally would be the gauge, and, well, find another one. Now, underneath here it's quite a bit of a mess. yeah, I've got a whole lot of cleaning to do because the oil is literally everywhere on the inside of the electronics and stuff. And yeah, well, yeah, of course, fill up the portal axle down there again because that's necessary. Anyway, I think that's all for today. If you want to help me find a part, that would be awesome. If you have one laying around, the oil gauge, I really need one. And if you don't and you want to help, we have a Ko-Fi, ko-fi.com/armtechrom. It's down here somewhere, probably. And to all you guys that already donated, oh my god, that is just amazing. It's the best thing ever. I mean, I'm speechless. Really, it's amazing. You guys are the most amazing community out there. Thank you very much. I'm out of words for that. So that's just, yeah, it's amazing. There's no other word for it. But anyway, I will be cleaning this mess up, and I will see you in another time. Hopefully with, I don't know, a new gauge or something else entirely. But thank you for watching, and until next time.